What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a notification in Roblox, like the ones that they do in the bottom right corner. So first you need a local script. Put that in starter player scripts, which is right under starter player. And in that script, first it's game dot starter GUI dot set, well not dot, colon, set core, then in those apostrophes, I don't remember what they're called on the top of my head, spells the notification, send notification, and that's not how you spell notification. I always spell notification wrong. Notification. And then outside of the you, comma, put a comma and then open bracket. And then enter like twice. And then move to the middle line right there, and in that line put title equals whatever you want it to be. So in my case it's just gonna be subscribe, but you gotta put them in speech marks first. Subscribe. Totally didn't spell subscribe wrong. Y'all should subscribe. And then comma, and then text equals whatever you want your text to be. So I'm just gonna put 2 Parallaxox. And you might want to put a wait up before this because people take forever to load in sometimes, and you don't want them to miss this glorious notification. Of course you can change the text. So if we just play this now, as you can see in the bottom right corner, it shows subscribe to Parallaxox. And then eventually it'll just fade away. So we'll see when it does that. Probably do it when I'm doing my outro, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.